यूट्यूब चैनल आई एम नौरीन अंसारी और आज हम समझने जा रहे हैं ऐसे टॉपिक है रिपब्लिक डे 26 जनवरी। अगर आपने मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट और वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का हमारा ऐसे रिपब्लिक डे। Republic Day is an important national holiday in India that is celebrated on 26th January every year. It marks the day when the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950, making India a sovereign democratic republic. This day holds great significance as it symbolizes the power of the people and the democratic values on which our nation is built. Republic Day celebrations are held all over the country with immense enthusiasm and pride. The main event takes place in the capital city, New Delhi, at Rajpath, where the President of India hoists the national flag and addresses the nation. The event is attended by various dignitaries, including the Prime Minister, members of the cabinet, and foreign guests. The Republic Day parade is the highlight of the celebrations. It showcases the rich cultural diversity and military strength of our nation. The parade begins with the Prime Minister laying a wreath at the Amar Jawan Jyoti, the memorial to honor the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country. This is followed by the national anthem and a 21-gun salute, which fills the air with patriotism. The parade then proceeds with different regiments of the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and various divisions of the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force, displaying their skills and equipments. The march past is accompanied by the rhythmic beats of military bands captivating the audience. The parade also includes colorful tableaux from different states representing their unique tradition, culture, and achievements. Apart from the military display, the parade features performances by school children, folk dancers, and other cultural groups. These performances depict the unity of diversity of our country, showcasing the various art forms and cultural heritage that India possesses. The participants put in mouth of practice uh, to present their best on this grand occasion. Republic Day is not only a celebration of our nation's independence but also a reminder of the responsibilities and rights that come with it. It is a day to reflect upon the values enshrined in our Constitution, which guarantees justice, liberty, equality, fraternity to all citizens. It serves as a reminder of the ideals and principles that form the foundation of our democracy. On this day, we also pay tribute to our leaders who fought for our freedom and those who drafted our constitution. Their vision and dedication have shaped into India into a vibrant and progressive nation. Republic Day serves as a reminder of their sacrifices and the need to preserve and uphold the democratic values they fought for. In conclusion, Republic Day is a momentous occasion that celebrates the spirit of freedom, democracy, and unity in our country. It is our day to honor our nation's achievements, cultural diversity, and the ideals that our Constitution upholds. It reminds us of our duty to uphold the principles of justice, liberty, equality.